to give me more experience than a 3-month internship to help me stand out when I apply for jobs in the future.
I really wanted to develop myself professionally, so learning core skills like Excel, PowerPoint, and other more data analysis skills.
As I do a music degree and I don't necessarily want a career in music, so I've decided to get a bit more experience and work out what I do and don't want in my future career.
I think a placement year offered both real life experience and made me look kind of more employable going forward.
I knew that I wanted to do marketing and I wanted to do something that was outside of my psychology degree, so I thought a placement year was a great way to get experience in that industry and live in London and really experience the working world.
So I did my placement year at AXA Investment Managers in the global digital marketing team in London.
Got a place at IBM, which is a kind of big technology company, one of the oldest in the world, and I was a tech consultant.
I did my placement year at Deloitte and I did VAT tax consulting.
I was involved in the sales, marketing and business strategy at Bosch. I did first half in Germany and the second half in the UK.
I worked in regulatory operations for Pfizer.
I worked in music production, working with music labels, producing vinyl records.
Worked at Centrica, which is a parent company of energy brands like British Gas, and I worked in the environment and strategy team.
So my role at GSK was working in procurement.
I worked in recruitment. I worked on placing graduates through to experienced professionals into roles in executive search, recruitment and tech startups and scale-ups.
The website design optimization projects and also the paid social media campaigns.
I really liked working on some of the new releases, new films and new programmes that were coming out and providing insight into the audiences and how best to market those to different people.
So I really enjoyed working on multiple projects. I was actually the GSK House site ambassador. This role entailed me creating 2 national social events. So I actually led a boat party and also a black tie dinner.
I really enjoyed throwing myself into practicing the German language and just being confident and speaking up in meetings in a completely different culture and language. I think that was great.
I really enjoyed talking to people, getting to know people and getting an idea of lots of different sectors.
I enjoyed elements of my work that looked at the future.
I initiated a shadowing programme among all the undergrads at Pfizer, so we were able to swap roles for a day and learn from each other, which was really exciting.
Loved working with my team. They were really supportive and encouraging, and I found every meeting I did with them I'd get more confident because I just felt so supported and encouraged.
Showed me what I want to perhaps go into and a lot of things that I don't want to go into, and I have a lot more things to talk about on my CV.
Great knowledge from all of the people that I worked with.
Really strong professional skills, and it actually led me into a summer internship.
A lot of knowledge of lots of different sectors and job roles, and it's helped me work out what I do and don't like in the workplace.
Some really valuable experience, as well as getting some good relationships with people in the industry.
Getting lots of new friends, a great network of people in the industry and just experiences of living and working in London.
Just confidence. I felt like I had a lot of skills and a lot to offer to the workplace.
Real insight into working in the corporate world, because it's obviously very different to how you act within academia.
A lot of confidence in myself and my ability to carry out tasks and perform our role.
To go back to, and secondly, which I think is most important, was the learning how to work and how to be part of a team.
New experiences.
Networking.
Different culture.
Teamwork.
Responsibility.
Building my network.
The people.
Working with something that I love.
My team.
Building new relationships.